Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Android phone for what version of Android you're on, and then show you how to update the system if you want to do that. And stick around as a bonus. I'll also show you how to check your apps to see which ones have been updated and show you how to easily update those as well. So to see what system of Android you're on, you're going to go to your settings. And I'm on a Pixel 7 here, but we also have in our article instructions on a OnePlus 8 phone. They're very similar, but I'm going to show you in this demo for a Pixel 7. So on a Pixel 7, you go to your settings, and then you scroll down, and to see which version of Android you're on, you click About Phone. And on there, you can scroll down near the bottom, and you'll see that I'm on Android version 14, it says right there. And it's got all sorts of other device information if you ever need that too. So if you're not on 14, you think you're on an older version and you want to update it, you go back to your systems and your settings there. So you go back to your settings, and then you scroll down, and right by the About Phone, just the one above it, it says System. So click on System, and then you scroll down and there's an option that says Software Updates. I'm going to click on that. And then on the top we see System Update. So click on that. It says your system is up to date. If it wasn't up to date yet, there'd be an option there to update it. But you can also click the blue button right on the bottom that says check for update. So I checked it, it's all up to date. I'm on version 14. So that must be the latest Android version that's in the market right now, version 14. So as promised, I told you how to check your apps too. So it's in the same place here. I'll go back so you can see where it is. So you go into your settings to check the apps. You go down, you scroll down to System again, and then you scroll down again and you go to Software Updates. So in there's the System Update on top, and then there's the App Updates. Click on App Update. You can see that I'm using up a lot of storage. I have a lot of apps on my phone. There's 16 updates pending. I can just update them all if I want, or I can click this button that says See Details, and it'll show you the apps. It'll say when they were updated, and you can individually update each of them, or you can click up top Update All, and that will update all the phones. So for app updates, you can click that. If you want to update your whole system and it's not on Android 14 and you update it, you'll have to restart your phone for that to take place. And it's important to keep it updated because there's security patches and other benefits of updating the system. Sometimes there's some cool new features too that you'll be missing out on if you don't update. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.